where this leads. And I would stumble, and I would fall. You never leave me with no hand to hold. So if I say thanks for all the love you gave us three, it wouldn't show just what you mean to me. If I can't be half the person that you are, you'll see you're my hero. You're my hero. You're my hero. You always notice when I am down. Your love is endless, the wire road, a gentle person, a brilliant man, whose patient kindness makes me who I am. If I say thanks for all the love you gave us three, would it show just what you mean to me? If I can't be half the person that you are, you see, you're my hero. You're my hero. You're my hero.
Daddy, sorry po kung matigas ang ulo ko. Pasaway palagi. Ikaw ang sinisisin nung nawala si Mami. Sorry po kung hindi ako nakikinig sa inyo minsan. Sorry po kung minsan hindi ko po nagagamit yung word na po. Pero po, porket na ganito po ako, mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Daddy, kung nandito lang si Mamita, sasabihin po sa inyo, Happy birthday, my love, at madami pong kiss. Buti na lang po, nandito si Mamsi. Siya na po ang magbibigay nun. Daddy, mahal na mahal talaga po kita. I love you, Daddy. I wish you happy birthday and a happy Father's Day. Your beloved daughter, Trisha. Miss you na po, Daddy.
Ay, alala mo pa, anyang may opera ako kagising ko bintang ka. Magdalahan ka sa player. Tsaka may pepatugtog itang paborito kong kanta. Anyang sasabit mo kong pako, pag ako bisang manggulyan pong tuyo. Itang gewa mong multiplication table para kaya kaming TJ. Kanitang pilawat da kayong mami kabang may sasabi. Saka ko sinabing, me, ako pa. Nang seli mo kong boots kasi mag-margarette ko. Kanitang may pangyak tama ng high school ko. Itang sinunod kanita ng kinyak ko ng atsyuta mo Bagyo. Saka mo kong inigot, kinawol. Saka mo sinabing, sabi ko na kasi kaya kay eh. Saka nang misasabi tamo sa ken ng alane imami. Madalas tamong misasabi pero pag atin chance, saka ko atatandanan makanano mo ko kaluguran. Makananong gang maralas kang ala, mo akakalingwan na sumawop keng pagpaparagol kaya kaming may kakapatad. At ngayon atin na kang apo, masaya ako na inglugod mo kaya kami, mas paing bebe mo kaya. Maragul ko pa salamat ken Diyos na gang ala na mami at suka pa rin para kaya kami. At may bless nga na atin pa rin akayabe kay matatagan na dekadas. Ken Biemo. Thank you keng egana-gana. We love you very much. Ako, uling, love da ka, uling gang panguko, tinggap mo ko buong buo biyang anak mo. Kaya kan Diyos, uling payagan ming akayabe na ako. And always remember na kareng hardships mo ngeni, baka sika na loob, metong lakareng listahan ming Diyos in kotse and airplane tickets sa travel mo. For now, inina pang message ampong pisawap-sawap ming video in gift me for Father's Day and 56th birthday. Mwah!
So you will always be right here by heart, a huge and special part of who I am. Hello, understood. You're so amazing, yeah. Thanks for all the love you gave us three. You put a show what you mean to me. If I can't be half the person that you'll see, you're my hero. You're my hero. You're